And from the legislature, we hear that diversification of the economy through agriculture has received yet another boost as the Senate passes the bill for the establishment of universities of agriculture in Oyo and Akwa Ibom states. National Assembly correspondent Lami Ali reports on these and other features at plenary.
The passage of the two bills was done after amendments to the Federal Universities of Agriculture Act to enable the creation of two additional universities.
As Nigeria diversifies its economy and focuses more on agriculture, remaining the greatest employer of labor, expanding the coast and ensuring that the country will produce what we consume and consume what we produce, I see greatness in the horizon for this country.
Also passed is the bill to establish Federal University of Science and Technology in Kano State. Senate has urged the National Judicial Council to resolve the purported removal of the Chief Judge of Benue State by the State Assembly.
Anything outside the provisions of the Constitution is a direct affront to the Constitution and a danger to democracy.
14 members of the State House of Assembly objected and voted against the removal of Justice Modus. And to suspend the other members without hearing them is a breach of the Constitution.
A mild drama as the commencement of plenary with regards to allocation of a new seat for Senator Natasha Adwanga was contained following intervention by lawmakers, even as she refused to move to the allocated chair. Rule 6 of the Senate Standing Rules provide that the President of the Senate has the prerogative to allocate and make changes for seat allocation. Senate has called on the federal government to immortalize the late Pa Adebanjo, as Senate observed a minute's silence in his honor.
He was a man who spoke truth to power, not out of defense, but out of duty to the ideals of fairness, good governance, and the well-being of the people.
In another development, the Senate Committee on NDDC has held an interactive session with stakeholders on curbing environmental challenge in the Niger Delta region.
The link between environmental degradation and social unrest is undeniable. To achieve lasting peace, we must first address the root causes.
Meanwhile, the Deputy President of the Senate, Barrow Jibril, has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Bank of Agriculture to empower 558 farmers in the Northwest Zone.
We've decided that those who will be involved in this scheme are holders of HND, bachelor degree, masters and PhD.
This is part of the Renewed Hope agenda in terms of food security and employment generation.
Each of the beneficiaries will receive a loan of 5 million naira from the National Assembly. Lami Ali, NTA News.